So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new and you have not done that yet, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button guys. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. Also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's see what we would be expecting this week on our GBPJPY. So once again, in order for you not to miss out on any single update, follow the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. Now, if you take a look at this GBPUSD, it is very clear that we are in an uptrend move on our GBPUSD. GBPUSD is very much on an uptrend move. So we are having a what? A series of higher high and an higher low, right? This is the movement that GBPUSD gave us. GBPJPY, sorry guys, it is GBPJPY. This is the movement that GBPJPY gave us, the high and the higher low. This is the high and the higher low that GBPJPY give us. Then here comes the high and the higher low that markets did. Here is the high and the higher low that GBPJPY eventually played or give us also. Then here comes the high and here is our higher low, right? So market has now pushed up. It is about to form a new higher high and it is now dropping. Guess what? This drop we should be expecting to continue to drop till it is able to tap the support level. So guys, that is to tell you that this week we should be anticipating for a bearish move on our GBPJPY. So whatever you would want to be doing on your GBPJPY, you should be looking for a bearish move. You should be anticipating for a bearish move on your GBPJPY, right? So a bearish move on GBPJPY is what you should be anticipating and expecting, right? Now, if you take a look at this your daily time frame, you can also see that this daily time frame also says that we are trending upward. This is a trend. The trend to the upside is what GBPJPY is doing, giving us. But if you take a look at this massive movement for the past 3 days, GBPJPY is giving us a bearish move. So this is the one of it opening and closing bearish, the two of it opening and closing bearish. This is the 3 of GBPJPY opening and closing bearish. Now for the day 4, we should be expecting GBPJPY to open and close bearish. So for day 4, we should expect GBPJPY to open and close bearish. So that is to tell you that there is still going to be more sell on GBPJPY, and we should expect that sell to drop to a level of 210. So a level of 210 on GBPJPY is what we should be anticipating for and expecting for next. Now back to this 4-hour time frame analysis. This is the first rejection and this is the second rejection, which made market to reverse. So you can see a double top that made market to reverse, right? Then here comes the pullback. Market was able to drop again to form a new low, and here comes the pullback. Market eventually drop again to form a new low, and here comes the pullback, right? Now market has now given us a new lower low. This is the new lower low that market has given us, and we should now be expecting a pullback next. So a pullback next is what we should be expecting on our GBPJPY. Once the pullback plays out, finish another low. So guys, a bearish move is still what we should be expecting. A bearish move is still what we should be anticipating for the week on our GBPJPY. So we should still be expecting that bearish move, drop and tap a level of 210, probably to a level of 210 400. That is what we should be expecting, and GBPJPY to give us a level of 210 400. That is what we should be expecting GBPJPY to give us, level of 210 400. If it can drop and tap a level of 210 400, guys, more updates will be covered for you guys, and I'll tell you guys what to do next. So in order for you not to miss out on the next updates, what you just need to do is very simple. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section.